Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to text animation in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new text layer using the Type tool. Position your text on the screen. Next, navigate to the Effect Controls panel to find the text properties. We'll then add keyframes to animate position, scale, or rotation, making your text move smoothly across the frame. Adjust the keyframe timing for a perfect animation flow. Moving beyond the basics, explore Premiere Pro's text animation presets for instant professional looks. These can save you significant time. For more control, learn to animate individual characters or words by adjusting their properties within the text layer. This allows for intricate, dynamic sequences. We'll also cover adding blur and glow effects to enhance your text, giving it a polished and engaging appearance. Now, let's customize your animations further. Adjust parameters like opacity, tracking, and leading to fine-tune your text's appearance and movement. Once you've perfected an animation, you can save it as a preset for future projects, streamlining your workflow. Finally, we'll walk through the best practices for exporting your animated text, ensuring it looks fantastic in any video project you're working on. To wrap up, always optimize your text for readability, choosing clear fonts and appropriate sizes. Consider exploring third-party plugins for even more advanced animation capabilities and unique effects. These can truly elevate your projects. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create amazing text animations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.